So, welcome to Romania, welcome to Timisoara. I'm not sure if I pronounced it correctly. We just got here from Serbia. It was a very nice drive on the countryside, and it's our first city we see here in Romania. And behind me you can see this beautiful church. I'm not sure if it's Orthodox or Christian, but yeah, I want to explore more of this amazing city. This church is just fantastic. It's so beautiful. Beautiful Romanian flag on a windy day. So let's check out the inside. Oh. Fantastic. He's like a coffin, but in the size of a teenage boy. I'm wondering what it's inside. Nice crosses, especially this one, for peace. So now we're going downtown here. I love Timisoara. And as you can see, the main attraction is this church and some other beautiful buildings. Vlad the Impala. Beautiful buildings. There are the babies being fed by a wolf, and there's the ugly Disney advertising, which ruins the entire scene. This beautiful building was under construction anyway, so it's okay. But too much construction here in this town. We're gonna have some kind of Polish festival here in Timisoara, and the birds are enjoying this pool. And another beautiful umbrella street, as we know them from Latin America. So very common in Colombia, but just here in Timisoara in Romania. But I think the one from Cartagena was prettier, no? It's an interesting statue in the middle of the city. We actually just want to make a quick stop here in Timisoara, but due to this festival, which in the tourist information said is the biggest festival of the entire year here in Timisoara, we decided we stay at least one night. It's also for free, so we're very excited to see the festival tonight. I just hope it won't rain, as it is already a little bit raining right now. Yeah, so let's check it out soon. So that's gonna be our new place for tonight, $25. Let's see how it's like. So it's our new room. Pretty, beautiful, with a nice view. Small but fun. It has a private bathroom even, very nice. is a street food. Let's have a look what they have. Oh, so here there's meat. Oof. Fish. Crab. Wow. Oh, and here, traditional food. Oh, it's not expensive. So we got some local food. It wasn't cheap, €5 for both, but hopefully it is worth the money. Okay, yeah, let's try it. All right. I have no idea what it is, but I will try it. She put some sauce on top. I think this is egg, so it's called Mama Ligota. We also got a crab for €5, so in total €14 for all street food. So now we have the local beer, Timisoara, and it was only $1.50. Very delicious. Tram is coming. I always like the trams, but where's the restaurant? We should be here on the left. It's called Homemade Food, but I don't think it's somebody's home. Here it seems to be like an underground restaurant. You see here, there's the kitchen, and this looks like a restaurant kitchen. So we have to find the entrance here. Such an undercover restaurant. Oof. Like, there's not even a bell. We just go in here. Oh, and indeed, very hard to find. Only through Google Maps. Homemade restaurant with vegan food. Wow, it really looks like somebody's home. Amazing. Nobody's here because it's so hard to find. Oh, hello. These are like bird cages for the lambs. So lunch is served. Vegetable curries with basmati rice. For two.